The stadium is one of the best in the world. So many experiences I've had here have definitely made me a better person. It's complete contrast, changing rooms to the pitch. To know that there's all those people there just like itching for you to get out and cheer you on, and you're just in this little quiet changing room. You come out, then you open the double doors. You're hit with that noise level straight away. You go from 0 to 100 in the click of a finger. It's incredible. For the 2 hours that it's match day here, this place is literally the heartbeat of the country for 2 hours. So when you're plonked in the middle of that pitch, and you know that all those millions of eyes are on you, it's such an incredible feeling. I know I'll never be able to experience that ever again in my career post-rugby. The one after I go walk my dogs, that was like a private place for me where I used to go and get away from the manic life of a professional sportsman and just to come back down to earth, really. It's only 4 miles away, but it's a complete contrast again. We're up there, I can overlook Cardiff and see the skyline and see the stadium, and the emotions I'm feeling there are obviously, I'm very relaxed, and that's when I can have time to reflect. Then when I'm here, I'm in the cauldron of emotions of pressure, nerves, you're anxious, expectation, you know. It's a massive difference in feeling, but it's so close in proximity. I think we take for granted how accessible Wales is and everything that's in Wales. You can go up to the Brecon Beacons, you can get there in 30 minutes. You've got Pembrokeshire, which is just beautiful. I absolutely love going down there. And some beautiful coastline in the Gower. You've got it all within touching distance, and it's fantastic. You just can't put a price on being home here in Wales. From that point of view, the older I get and the more I realise we have, you know, the more special I think Wales is.